Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will search about Reddit app. Here Reddit as you see, and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.